Hey, hi, welcome back. In this session, we're going to see how you can install and configure SQL Server Engine and also SQL Server Management Studio. For that, I am on the inside the virtual machine. So you can see that IP, and so that's a public IP. If you want to see the private IP address, so go to that the search and then look for command prompt and type ipconfig. So that's a private IP address. Okay. So I'm looking for download SQL Server, and so that's the first page you have to download. Microsoft.com SQL Server download, and then look for, yeah, you have to come down and you look for the developer edition, and yeah, so I think download completed. Go into the folder where the download has completed and right click on that and run as administrator. So I'm okay with the basic edition. Click on accept. So install location should be fine, the C drive. Click on install. And I choose a basic install because I want to test the backups and restores of the SQL database. That's the use case for installing the SQL server in this video. So let's give it a couple of minutes. And also you need to have an internet access for, downloading and installing this package. So I'll pause the video and then I'll come back. Okay. Okay, so we are back. So as you can see, the installation has completed successfully. So now the SQL Server Developer Edition, which is an SQL Server engine, has been successfully installed. The next step is we have to install the so SSMS, which is an SQL Server Management Studio. So when I click on that, uh, the install SSMS, it is redirecting me to the another page. Yeah, so this is the page it redirected. So now here you can see there is an download link. Yeah, if you scroll down, there is something you can see here, download 20.2. So I need to click on that. So when you kindly note that, so you need to have an internet access here. If you don't have, you have to download it on your workstation and then copy that executable file in the machine where you are going to install the SQL Server Management Studio. So the download completed. Let me go to that location. Yeah, right click and run as administrator. Yeah, that's the location, the C drive. I'm okay with that. Click on install. That's the location where it's going to install that SSMS. So install. So it is going to take some time, so I'm passing the video. Okay, so the setup is completed. Click on close. So now if we want to see, if we want to open the management studio, so minimize all the browsers here. Go to the start menu, and here you can see, or else you can also scroll down. Yep. So that's an SQL Server engine 2022, and you have a management studio here, SQL Server tools 2020, right? So click on that skill management server studio, and close this previous window. Yeah, the default options are fine. You don't have to do anything. Click on connect. You just ensure that encryption is optional. Again, click on connect. So now you can see that we are connected to the SQL Server Management Studio. Thanks for watching.